Hi, my name's Hannah Klunch, and I'm an application engineer here at Krueger. During this video, we're going to be discussing linear bar grills, the different models we offer, and the options that come with them, along with why would you choose one over the other. Linear bar grills are a unique grill option that provide architectural appeal with long continuous looks and clean appearances, while also providing improved air distribution in ceiling, sidewall, and even floor application. At Krueger, we have 4 different models. The first two are our 1500 and 1600. With both of these models, the core is welded to the frame, and they typically get used in ceiling or sidewall applications. On the opposite end, we have our 1800 and 1850 models. With these models, the core is actually removable from the frame, and these typically are rated and get used in floor applications. As we previously stated, the 1500 and 1600 are built for ceiling or sidewall. Because of that, they have more frame and mounting options available. Half of these are just your standard flange frame, the major difference being the size of the flange that's desired. The larger the flange, the easier it is to cover up any rough hole openings that may be present during installation. You have a lot larger of a difference between the face size and the neck size. In contrast, the smaller the flange, the harder it is to install, but it can provide a cleaner look. With these smaller flanges, the face size is almost identical to the neck size. Another option is our subframes, where the outer frame is installed first, and the inner grill part, or the core, actually just snaps in using the snap clip shown on the edge of this. Our last option is our mud-in frame, which keeps the core-only look while ensuring any of the rough opening is covered by the extended tapered flange along the outer edge. When this frame is used, the core is also removable, which makes it unique in comparison to the rest of the 1500 and 1600 frame styles. The next set of frame styles that we have to look at is the 1800 and 1850 frame styles. The 1800 and 1850 frames are tested and rated for floor installation, so they do have fewer frame styles available. These include a rounded flange, which has more curvature on the edge, flat flange, which is more box-shaped or squared off, and then we have a thin flange, which is basically a no flange core-only type option. The unique feature on the 1800 and 1850 is that all frames will be standard core removable and are held in place with core clips. We also have a variety of mounting options, including no mounting, where the unit is shipped loose, spring clips, which hold the grill in place through friction and should only be used in wall or floor applications, concealed fastening, which mechanically secures the grill with a concealed screw and bracket, where the screw goes through the face and then through these support bars in the back side of the frame to attach to a bracket that gets held above the ceiling. And lastly, screw holes, where the grill is held in place with screws through the face. The next item we have to look at is the difference between blade spacing, blade thickness, and deflection. The 1500 and 1800 have thicker blades, while the 1600 and 1850 have thinner blades. The 1600 and 1850 also have a tighter blade spacing option, going down to 1/4 of an inch, while the 1500 and 1800 only go down to about 7/16. These configurations each provide a different look and can help prevent smaller items from falling through the grill, but performance can also be affected. All of these grills also have various deflection options to help direct the airflow into the space, including a 15-degree deflection, as shown here, where it will push the air horizontally out of the face of the grill, versus 0-degree deflection, shown here or here, where the air is just coming straight out of the face. The last thing we have to look at are the accessories. The first being a blank-off strip, which covers inactive sections, cutting off air and visibility. Dampers help to balance the amount of air passing through the linear, and last but not least, a straightening grid, which can be individually adjusted to help evenly distribute the air across the grill. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please reach out to Krueger and we will be happy to help.